Good morning, children. Today we'll start the revision, Essay 1 revision. Okay, you have to write down in your book. Okay, you have to write down in your book neatly. Okay, see here. You have written Essay 1 revision now. In the same book, you write the Essay 1 revision also. Okay. Write Varnamala from A to Sh. Write Varnamala from A to Sh. You have to write down neatly. Understand? One big space. E. E. You have to keep one finger space, touch both the lines and write neatly. Okay. U. Ooh. Ru. A. I. O. Ow. Aha. Okay. After this, leave one line. You have to leave a line here and start from here itself. Ka. Here one finger space. One finger space. Ka. Ga. Gha. Nyang. Cha. Cha. Ja. Ja. Nyang. Ta. Tha. Da. Dha. Na. Ta. Tha. Da. Dha. Na. Pa. Pha. Ba. Bha. Ma. I don't have space here. I'll write it here. You can continue there itself. Ya. Ra. La. Va. Sha. Sha. Ta. Ha. Ksha. Tra. Nya. Sh. Okay. See here. Write Varnamala from A to Ksha. Touch both the lines. Write neatly. Keep one finger space and write. Understand? E. E. U. Ru. A. I. O. Ow. Aha. After writing aha, leave one line and write ka, kha, ga, gha, nya, cha, cha, ja, jha, nya, ta, tha, da, dha, na, ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, pha, ba, bha, ma, ya, ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha, sh, tra, nya, sh. Okay. This in one page you have to write. Again, in the next page, in the new page you have to write. Don't write in the same page. In the new page, second main, write bara khadi, right? Bara khadi. You have to write for ta. Ta, ta. Ta को आखिरी मात्रा ता. ती. ता को ई की मात्रा ती. ती. ता को ई की मात्रा ती. तु. तू. ता को ऊ की मात्रा तू. ता को ऊ की मात्रा तू. तुर. ता को रू की मात्रा तुर. ते. ता को ए की मात्रा ते. ता को आई की मात्रा टाई. ता को ओ की मात्रा तो. ता को औ की मात्रा ताऊ. ता को अम की मात्रा तम. ता को आहा की मात्रा taha. After this, leave one line. Okay. Dha. 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 Dhi. Dhi. Dhu. Dhu. Dur. They. Die. Do. Thou. Dum. Daha. Okay. This one you have to write it in the new page. Don't write in the same page. Again, after this, leave one line. Pa. 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 P. P. Poo. Poo. Pur. Pay. Pie. Po. Pow. Pum. Paha. Leave a line here. Da. Da. Di. Di. Do. Do. Dur. day, die, do, dove, dumb, daha. Again, leave a line here. Ga, 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 gi, gi, gu, gu, gur, ge, gai, go, go, gum, gaha. Understand? This Barakhadi, you have to write it in new page. Don't continue with the first page only. Okay. Ta, ta, ti, ti, tu, tu, tur, te, tai, to, tau, tam, taha, da, da, di, di, do, do, dur, de, die, do, dou, dum, daha, pa, pa, pi, pi, pu, pu, pur, pe, pai, po, pau, pam, paha, da, da, di, di, do, do, dur, de, die, do, dou, dum, daha, ga, ga, gi, gi, gu, gu, gur, ge, gai, go, gau, gum, gaha. Again, in the next page, in the new page, in the new page, third main, write the meanings English. Write the meanings in English. Bhagwan. Bhagwan means what? Bhagwan means God. Devaru. You have to write God. Hathi. Hathi means elephant. Sadak. Sadak, road. Kamal, lotus. Varsha, rain. Oont, camel. Khargosh, Khargosh, rabbit. चटाई, mat, रथ, chariot, लड़की, लड़की, girl. Okay, write the meanings in English. Write the meanings in English. You have to write in the new page. Bhagwan, God. G-O-D, God. Bhagwan means God. Devro, okay. Hathi, elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Sadak, road. R-O-A-D, road. Kamal, lotus. L-O-T-U-S, lotus. Varsha, rain. R-A-I-N, rain. Oont, camel. C-A-M-E-L, camel. Khargosh, rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Chatai, mat. M-A-T, mat. Rath, chariot. C-H-A-R-I-O-T, chariot. Ladki, girl. G-I-R-L, girl. After this, fourth main. Fourth main. Make the words by joining the letters together. Make the words by joining the letters together. Okay. Here, cha plus ta plus re. Like this, they are given cha plus ta plus re. You have to join these three letters and you have to write it together and make a correct word. First, you have to write cha, ta, re, chatari. Cha plus ta plus e. So you have to see a cha. First you have to write cha, ta, e, chatai. Third is jha plus ra plus na. Jharana, jha, ra, na, jharana. Fourth is ga plus na. Gagan, sky. G, N, Gagan. In plus J plus N, engine. E, J, N, engine. घड़ा. घ plus डा, घड़ा. घड़ा means pot. J plus H plus J, जहाज. Ship. Jahaj. I don't have space here. I'll write that. You can write there itself down. Eighth is Hathi. Ha plus Thi, Hathi. Nine. Sh plus L plus G plus M. Shalgam. Sh, then L, then G, then M. Shalgam. Nya plus Ni, Jnani. Okay, you have to write in the new page. Okay. After this, fifth main. After this, fifth main. Write the vowel symbols for write the vowel symbol for the letters given below. Write the vowel symbols for the letters given below. Some children last time they have written the pictures for the letters. No, you should not write the pictures. You have to write the vowel symbol. Symbol means you know, no matra. You have to write the matra for the letters, not the pictures. It's not in the order. Okay, you have to see the letter properly and you have to write. Now here the letters I've written. Now you have to write the matra for letters. Okay. Now for what is the matra for A? One sleeping line and standing line. This is A ki matra. Next. U ki matra. Understand? A ki मात्रा रू की मात्रा ओ की मात्रा ई की मात्रा अम की मात्रा ऊ की मात्रा आई की मात्रा आहा की मात्रा you have to write. Symbols means matra. You have to write the symbols of letter, not the pictures of letter. Understand? You have to write the symbols of letters. You have to see the letter, which letter it is there, the letter symbol you have to write it in the box. Understand? Again, in the next class, we'll continue the next main. Till here, you have to write it in your revision book, which you have written FA1 in the same book you have to write and study for SA1 exam. Okay, children? Thank you.